The most dangerous thing YouTube keeps isn't the video you watched. It's the question you typed into the search bar. A single search about an illness, debt, or a personal problem could remain linked to your account, and anyone who can access your activity history could see it. The problem is that when most people try to stop this, they turn off their entire watch history, causing their home recommendations to disappear. I'll show you the more precise approach. YouTube will keep remembering the videos you like, but it will stop saving your new search terms. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture. Go to Settings, then Manage All History, and open Controls. Under Saving Your YouTube History, you'll find separate options. Set them like this. Include the YouTube videos you watch. Keep this turned on. This preserves your home recommendations. Include your searches on YouTube. Turn this off. From this moment on, new search terms won't be saved to your account history. If you see Include YouTube Voice and Audio Activity, turn that off too so your voice searches aren't saved as part of your YouTube activity. This way, you haven't turned off your entire YouTube history. You've only stopped the most sensitive part while keeping watch history enabled, so your home page doesn't become empty. For your old searches, return to the history page. And tap the X next to any personal search term you want to remove. Don't use delete all or all time, because deleting everything from the selected period could remove both your search and watch history, which may affect your recommendations. And pay attention to the most important warning. Turning off search history prevents the search term from being saved, but it doesn't stop the video you open afterward from being added to your watch history. If the entire topic is sensitive, turn on Incognito from the Account section before searching. Make sure the black bar is visible. As long as Incognito is active, your searches and the videos you watched during that session won't be linked to your account history. Finally, please support me and give me the motivation to continue making videos that matter to you and improve your privacy and security by writing "keep going" in the comments. Like the video, subscribe, and send it to anyone who doesn't want their private searches to remain saved.